It's a beautiful December day and I'm lying here in the cold grass to show you another feature of our sausage cannon, the extendable barrel. This will allow us to shoot further than ever before. We 3D printed accessories which can be clipped on like so and increase the length of the barrel, thus increasing the distance it can fire, or so we think. We can keep attaching them all day long. Okay, normal barrel length. Fire!
10 meters.
It's ambitious. It's ambitious. We've increased the duration of the shot, so hopefully this one will go further. Okay, this is one barrel extension on. Maybe we should tape it on.
Your extensions, sir.
And as we can see, the extensions come complete with a sausage inside. Good that we experimented with this in the field.
How do we get the sausage to the bottom of the tube?
The way nature intended.
Professional poking stick.
That's what I'm talking about.
You can't rifle a sausage.
Right, that looks good. Never look down the barrel of a sausage cannon. You're asking for trouble. Then we're going to need to I press the button. 3, 2, 1.
I think this is the limit.
We're going for a more frozen sausage, the bullet.
Frozen sausage. That's the technique.
All right, now we just gotta hit the
I knew
target.
we were geniuses.
We just gotta hit the target, then we can go home.
Using the same sausage because it's the lucky one.
Now that we have switched to frozen projectiles, I must wear the safety goggles.
Pretty warm outside. I like this guy. Cheeky chappy.
Gosh, damn it!
Actually, I don't like him.
We've got to put a time limit on this.
Okay,
When are we gonna give up?
tomorrow. Because when it gets up into that atmosphere there, it just swings right over.
It's the stratosphere. Cosmic rays.
More to the left, and we're going to hope that this does it. This is it. 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Give me, don't touch me.
This is sausage water from our sausage fired then directly at the red bit of the target as intended.
That's how far we shot. 30 meters.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And tickle the bell.